Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing your almonds because flavor begins with proper toasting. Measure 200 g, rinse and dry. This removes dust and improves browning. Preheat oven to 160 degrees Celsius, spread almonds in a single layer so they roast evenly, and toast 10 to 12 minutes until fragrant. Once done, let them cool fully. This stops cooking and firms texture. Make sure to monitor color closely. Almonds can shift from perfect to burnt in under a minute. Now you create the chocolate almond matrix so textures marry nicely. Melt 150 g dark chocolate over a double boiler until smooth. Stirring prevents seizing. Meanwhile, pulse cooled almonds to a coarse meal. You want bits, not paste, so you preserve crunch. Once chocolate is fluid, fold in the almond meal in batches. This ensures even coating. If mixture is too thick, add 1 tablespoon neutral oil to loosen it. Make sure to scrape the bowl frequently so nothing sticks, and you maintain consistent texture. Finish by shaping and setting so your Choco almond is ready to eat. Spoon the blend onto a lined tray, press with a spatula to uniform thickness, and score portions before chilling. This makes breaking easy. Place in refrigerator for 30 to 45 minutes until fully firm, then store in an airtight container at cool room temperature. If the chocolate seizes or becomes grainy, warm it gently and stir in 1 teaspoon oil to re-emulsify. This often restores a glossy, spreadable consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.